Hello guys, it's Capybara King here with another video, and today I'm going to be reacting to the Shoebill stork making a ferocious sound. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna unpause the video. Oh my god, that sounds like gunshots! Okay, so I can explain this. They only do this when it's mating season, and this is most likely a male trying to get a mate. And like the louder the sound, it attracts more female shoebills. So, hope you like this video. I'm Capybara King. This is the Animal Expert. See you next time.